In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leaders or arrows with text in AutoCAD. This is a useful skill for enhancing your drawings with annotations, and it can significantly improve how your information is presented in a technical drawing. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll begin by typing MLEADER into the command line. Once you've entered this, press Enter. This command stands for multiple leader, and it allows you to create leaders or arrows pointing to specific parts of your drawing. After hitting Enter, you'll notice that your mouse cursor changes, indicating that it's ready to mark the location of your first point, the one where the arrow will tip. With your mouse, move to the part of your drawing where you want your arrow to point. This could be any element that you need to annotate or provide more information about. Click your mouse to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, your next step involves specifying where the text will appear. This is as simple as clicking again, slightly away from the first point. The line that connects these two clicks is the leader line itself, directing viewers' eyes from the text to the part of the drawing you're highlighting. After setting these locations, you're ready to add your text. This text is what will appear alongside the leader line, providing necessary information or notes related to the section of the drawing you've highlighted. Type in the information you'd like to include, whether it's dimensions, notes, or any other relevant data. When you're finished typing, you'll press Enter to finalize the entry. Now, if you wish to further customize your leader's appearance, or if you want to create a specific style that you can apply in the future, you can easily do that by using the MLEADER style command. Go ahead and type MLEADER style into the command line and press Enter. This will open a menu where you have the ability to add, delete, and modify leader styles. Here, you can adjust various parameters, such as the type of arrowhead, the color of the leader line, or the text font and size. By creating a style that suits your project's needs, you can maintain consistency across your drawings, ultimately making them more professional and easier to understand. And there you have it. You've successfully created a leader with text in AutoCAD. By following these steps, you can enhance your drawings with clear annotations that effectively convey important information. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to experiment with different styles and settings to find what works best for your projects. Happy designing!